A big thank you to all my supporters. American was on top of the list the last time I checked, supporting me. Today, Jamaica has topped you left, right, and center. So thank you to all my supporters, and thank you to our Jamaicans and Americans who continue supporting me, the likes, the comment, and also the subscription. I thank you and I thank you. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous going into 2025. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're not yet subscribed, please, could you help to make up the numbers? Please subscribe. Thank you.